There's a product sitting in your local hardware store right now that you've probably walked past 100 times, and it can quietly save you hundreds of dollars over the next few years. Not a gadget, not a subscription, not some viral Amazon hack. It's a $4 bag of salt. And the wild part? Companies are repackaging that same salt into $12 to $20 moisture absorber tubs and counting on you to throw them away. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn that $4 bag into a reusable dehumidifier that works without electricity, and how to reset it in your own kitchen so you never have to buy the disposable version again. First, let's talk about what's actually happening in your house. If your basement smells musty, if your closet keeps growing mold on leather, if cardboard boxes and storage feel soft, that's not a cleaning issue, it's humidity. The EPA recommends indoor humidity between 30 and 50%. Above 60%, mold can start forming in as little as 24 to 48 hours. That's not internet fear talk, that's documented building science. Moisture feeds mold spores that are already in the air. It corrodes metal, it warps wood, it slowly wrecks anything organic. So you buy one of those plastic tubs with white crystals inside. You set it in the corner. A few weeks later, the crystals dissolve into liquid. You toss it, you buy another. Here's what nobody points out. Those white crystals are calcium chloride. That same calcium chloride is sold in bulk as pool chemical, ice melt, and agricultural conditioner for about $4 to $6 a bag. Same compound, same chemistry, totally different price. Calcium chloride is what's called a hygroscopic salt. That means it aggressively pulls moisture out of the air. The surface of each crystal attracts water vapor. It keeps absorbing until it reaches equilibrium with the room. And here's the part that blows people's minds. It can absorb several times its own weight in water. When humidity is high, it doesn't just get damp, it literally dissolves into liquid. That's called deliquescence. It turns into brine. That's exactly what's happening inside those disposable tubs. But unlike a compressor dehumidifier, calcium chloride needs zero electricity. No fan, no noise, no outlet. You just set it there and it works. So here's how you build your own. You need calcium chloride pellets or flakes, not powder, pellets, $4 to $6. You need a bowl and something that lets liquid drain through, like a plastic colander. Put the colander inside the bowl. Fill it with 2 to 3 inches of pellets. That's it. As the pellets absorb moisture, they'll dissolve. The liquid drips into the bowl. The top layer keeps working. When the bowl fills, you empty it. For a small closet, 1 unit is enough. For a basement, use several spaced around the perimeter. Passive systems treat the air right around them, so coverage depends on placement. Now here's the part companies definitely don't advertise. When the pellets are fully dissolved and all you see is liquid, the calcium chloride isn't used up. It's just holding water. Chemically, it's still completely intact, and you can reset it. Pour that liquid into a glass baking dish. Put it in your oven at about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it sit for 1 to 3 hours. The heat evaporates the water. What's left behind? Dry calcium chloride, ready to use again. Let it cool. Store it in an airtight container. Refill your colander. Same material, same performance, over and over. Studies on salt hydrate systems show calcium chloride maintains absorption capacity through repeated hydration and dehydration cycles. In plain English, it doesn't wear out from doing this. A few quick safety notes. Run your range hood or crack a window while you're evaporating the water. You're not creating toxic fumes, it's just steam, but you don't want that moisture staying in your kitchen. Use glass or ceramic. The brine can corrode some metals over time. Keep temps under 400 degrees. 300 to 350 works perfectly. And obviously, keep pellets away from kids and pets. It's an irritant, not something you want handled carelessly. Now let's zoom out for a second. Disposable moisture absorbers are a multi-million-dollar category in the US every year. Thousands of tons of plastic tubs get tossed annually, even though the active ingredient inside is fully reusable. Think about that. You're not paying for chemistry, you're paying for packaging, and the assumption that you won't question it. If you've been spending $15 every month or two on those tubs, that's around $150 a year. Over 5 years, $750. Versus one $4 bag you can regenerate indefinitely. And here's a bonus most people never think about. If you store firearms, musical instruments, important documents, or photo albums, a small breathable pouch of calcium chloride inside a safe or sealed container can hold humidity below 40% for months. When it gets saturated, regenerate it. Put it back. Same trick, smaller scale. Now let me be clear, this isn't magic. If you've got water coming through your foundation or you're dealing with flood damage, this won't replace a powered dehumidifier. Bulk water problems need mechanical solutions. But for closets, RVs, boats, storage units, basements with general dampness, gun safes, garages, this works. Quietly, cheaply, reliably. So next time you're in the store and you see that shiny $12 moisture absorber tub, look 2 aisles over. $4 bag, same chemistry. The only difference is whether you know you can put it in the oven. Now you do. If you try this, measure your humidity before and after. Grab a cheap hygrometer, they're like $10. Test it, see the numbers change. Once you see it yourself, you'll never buy the disposable version again. And once you start spotting patterns like this, where the reusable option was sitting there the whole time, you can't unsee them. I'll catch you in the next one.